There's so many new beauty products being released all the time, so we gathered some of the most hyped to test for ourselves. This is definitely one of those TikTok made me buy it kind of products. This is the Pseudo Labs PHreckles Kit. It's nothing like any other faux freckle product I've ever seen. You basically get the freckle liquid, which has a little round brush in it and this little toothpick looking thing that you use to flick the liquid onto your face to give you very natural looking freckles. I knew this was gonna be a messy process, so I tucked a paper towel in my shirt and just went at it. Am I freckly? A little. Right away, I was obsessed with how the freckles came out. It's a strange and kind of messy process, but they do end up looking really natural and cute. But I highly recommend you do this topless or with a paper towel stuffed into your shirt. I wanted to try the Milani Conceal and Perfect Smooth Finish Cream to Powder Foundation because I saw people saying this was a dupe for the KVD Good Apple Balm. It's not. That foundation is literally a balm, so it's very slippy and almost a little oily. This Milani one is very thick and kind of dry. I don't like the texture of this at all. I do feel like this did a great job of covering everything up because it is full coverage, but it definitely emphasized a lot of my texture and I don't love how it sat on my skin. This is the ColourPop Feather Effect Styling Brow Wax. I got both the clear and the tinted versions. Also, please excuse my purple stained fingers. This product is a little strange. I do think that it gives your brows that fluffy feathered look, but I had to keep dipping in over and over to get it to look the way I wanted it to. The texture of this is just very odd. Like I had to keep checking my brush to make sure that there was anything even on it. If you're looking to this as a dupe for the ABH Brow Freeze, I don't think this is one. The Brow Freeze has a way softer texture and literally does freeze your brows, like they will not move. This one has way less hold and it doesn't feel like it dries down. Also, I feel like there's zero difference in color between the tinted and the clear. It's so weird. Now, let's talk about the blush of my dreams, the Melt Cosmetics Cream Blushlight. You guys, I didn't know how this was gonna go because I had already powdered my entire face, but I took a risk and I just applied the blush on top and oh my god, this blush is so gorgeous and it didn't mess up the foundation or powder underneath at all. I'm in love right now. And because I'm obviously a huge blush lover, I had to apply more and more and more, and it layered beautifully. It's totally buildable. I fully understand now why this has been sold out everywhere. That's good. These are the Danessa Myrics Beauty Colorfix Eye, Cheek, and Lip Cream pigments. These are multi-use pigments and they come in a bunch of different colors and finishes. Danessa Myrics, who is a wonderful makeup artist, always uses these on her models to create like the most beautiful looks, so I was dying to try them. These pigments are no joke. Literally one drop is all you need. I definitely use too much, but I'm so impressed not only by how pigmented they are, but how many ways you can use them. I use them for under eye corrector, blush, eyeliner, and lipstick. Once these dry down, they're definitely staying put. This was not my best makeup work, but I was just having a good time playing around with these. Minimal skin-like makeup is kind of like the norm now, and this Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint totally makes sense for the time. It's actually way less liquidy than I imagined it to be, and as expected, the coverage was pretty minimal, but the skin tint is super buildable, so I just added more where I felt like I needed it. Highly recommend using a brush if you want to get the most coverage out of it. The finish is pretty nice and it does dry down, so you don't have to worry about any tackiness. I am just so not a skin tint kind of person, but this one gives you that your skin but better look that I think a lot of people would be into.